Okay, today's introduction, little cook up in the garden. Hope you enjoy it. New today, welcome to New Camping Man. It's a cold winter's day and just in the garden having a bit of a cook up. It's not that cold actually today, but not the sort of thing you do normally in this time of year, but it's something different, isn't it? Because we can't really do a lot for this lockdown business, so I fancy doing a bit of cooking in the garden. Got my stoves, got my bits and bobs, got a key, got a bit of sauce there, and hopefully this should be good. Let's make a start then. Chop the onion up. Right. Okay. There we go. Lovely bits of onion there. So I can't say I'm much of a chef, but I try my best. I do like cooking though, I've got to be honest. I just wish I was better at it. So we'll give it a go. End of the day, I think I've been looking forward to doing this actually, to be honest. But, we'll see what we're dealing with. This onion looks quite good actually. My dad used to think there was a good recipe when he was alive about, well, not a recipe, but a good idea for a cold. Whether this is a myth or not, I don't know. But apparently, if you cook an onion and sweat it, or just have it raw actually, raw onion, yeah, and pepper, eat it right, really strong onion. It's supposed to be very good for a cold. Now that's probably an old wives' tale, but if it makes you feel better and it's a placebo, then why not? So let's just get this residue of this onion, the skin, in the bag and out of the way. I'll try and hang this up somewhere. Hey, chilli, love it. All looking good. Yum. Right, it's getting good. Who says you can't cook down in the garden during lockdown? I can cook in the garden during lockdown. Yeah. 2 more burgers on the go there, so we'll see. And we'll see what we'll come up with. But we're getting there, aren't we, slowly? The onion's got to go in a minute. Mushrooms on the go. So burgers done, onions, the pudding, smells good. Right then, ready for food. Okay, so there's the burgers, there's the chilli. Well, I'm going to really enjoy this, and I've got 1 little beer, and I'm just stand and have a drink and have a eat and just enjoy myself. Outstanding. Wow, good. Thank you for watching New Camping Man. Please hit that bell notification so you can watch more of my videos. And thank you again. I'm going to enjoy what I'm going to eat now. See you later.